Hey fart faces, today I'm doing a DP pen stash challenge video where I'm going to show you my diamond painting pens. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I really love to have you as part of my hive. You just have to click that red subscribe button, and if you are not new here, welcome back to my channel. Hello, it is I, Bev B Diamond Paints. So it's going to be a really short video because I don't have a lot of pens. So let's get started. Here's my pen stash. Just kidding. Oh my god, can you imagine if someone made a DP pen stash video and they're like, here's my pens. You thought that'd be hilarious. Okay, it's not that funny. Let's get seriously into my pen stash. It is going to be a short video though because I don't have a lot of pens. So when I first started diamond painting, I used a pink pen, obviously. Like, I think everyone started off using a pink or blue pen, depending where you ordered your kit from. And then after, I was like, you know what, I can make my own stupid pen. I'll show you. And then, which is a pen. Okay, so then this came, I subscribed to a subscription box called Quirky Crate. So this little gnome dude, this was just a regular pen, and what I did was I removed the tip, like the inking tip, and then replaced it with a diamond painting tip. And this pen was like fairly comfortable. I used it for a long time, but I just felt like it's really like, I don't know what you call it, top heavy. So it was like, it was comfortable, but it was kind of like not ergonomic. I can't even talk. Whatever. It was not the best for my hand, but I thought it was super cute, and I was so proud of it because it was like my first DP pen that I ever made. And then I was like, you know what, this pen is not working. The top is so heavy, it is like off balance. So I was like, oh, I love writing with these pens, these other pens, so I'm going to make one into a diamond painting pen. I used to work at a digital marketing agency, so we get a lot of Google swag. And so I really liked using the Google pens that they would send us, and I turned that into a diamond painting pen. So you can see it has a diamond painting tip, and all it is literally one of those like regular push pens or whatever they're called, and I just made it into a diamond painting pen. This pen is really light, and it is comfortable because it kind of has like a bump here, and it's just really easy to diamond paint with. And I use this pen probably forever, until one day I was like, this pen, like I started pushing too hard on it, and so the tip started getting sucked back. I need to grow up. I'm so mature. The tip started getting sucked back into the actual pen itself. So, because I'm a hard placer, so I was like, oh, that makes me sad. So I had to stop using this pen. This pen is really cute. It's a little baby, and it comes with a light, but I never use the light. I thought the light would be like really like a good idea, but it wasn't. I just use a light pad. But this pen came in a kit that I bought, like a 53-piece diamond painting kit that I bought from Amazon, and I bought that kit solely for the light box. So it was kind of cool to get this little bonus pen, and it's cute. It's not that comfortable because it's not round, it's more square, rectangular, so you have to hold it, and hold it really funny. And it's kind of like, what is this? Is she holding her underwear? I don't know. But I never really used this pen. I think I used it a couple of times just to test it out to see if it was fun or not. And then I saw some Polymer Clay pens. These aren't sealed because I was like not happy with them. But I started trying out Polymer Clay pens like everyone else. I think a lot of people try to make their own pens. I really like how this one turned out. It was like it was the first pen that I ever made, and it's comfortable, but I think I should have went thicker when I was making them. This one didn't turn out so well. Like, there's a bubble and whatever. Like, I never ended up sealing these. I haven't tried making pens again, but I'm going to. I really want to make some fat, thick diamond painting polymer clay pens. I think that would be fun. So these are just like whatever ones that I've never used before, and they're not sealed or anything, so whatever, they're in my collection. Then I was at a local store and I saw they had these mermaid pens, and I've always seen these mermaid pens on AliExpress and on Amazon, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy one of those mermaid pens. It was only, I think, $1. So I bought the mermaid pen and I made it into a diamond painting pen, which was really, really easy. All I did was I unscrewed it. I took out the ink thingy, whatever, the ink part of the pen, the ink pipe. I don't know what it's called. So I took that out, and then all I did was I hot glued the diamond painting tip from one of the pink pens I ripped out, and then I just hot glued it to the end here. I really like this pen. This pen is actually super comfortable, and I wish that I would have bought more because they're cheap and affordable, and look how pretty they are. They're just pretty, and now the store doesn't have them anymore, so it kind of makes me sad, and I'm not going to go out of my way to order more because obviously I don't like it that much if I'm not going to go out of my way to order more, but it was really fun to make, and it is comfortable, and it's very light, and it's not like top heavy like that other pen, so I like this one, and it's cute. I just said that. Okay. Next pen. This is my first acrylic diamond painting pen that I've ever ordered. As you can see, there's no tips in it because I don't actually use it anymore. I ended up breaking it. I don't know if you can tell. I ended up snapping part of it off because I'm such a hard placer. I think this was the multi-placer end, and I was pressing down really hard but at an angle because I'm not smart, and it just basically broke. But to be fair, I dropped it on the floor, and I think maybe it started to crack a little bit. But this pen is really cute. It's really pretty in certain light as well. Like you see, it's kind of like, I forget what it's called. I think it's called the Cosmic Pen, and it's from Diamond Art Club. It's really nice. I like it. Just that I broke the tip part. And I have an extra one of these, so I was going to start using it, but I'm like, you know what? I think that my friend, and her name starts with an L, so if your name starts with an L and you live in Winnipeg, you're going to be getting the double of this pen, not the broken one. Obviously, I'm not going to send you a broken pen, but I'm going to send you the other pen, the brand new pen that is like this, because I think that you'd really like it, and it's really comfortable. And then the next pen that I got was this one. This one is from Yoyo Craft July Yoyo Craft on Etsy. I think it is the same company as Cat Eared, but you can find these pens. They have them on Amazon as well, or Amazon Canada at least. It's just clear, and it has like this really cool like die pattern to it. I like it. It's comfortable, but yeah, it's like the same shape as this one. And I really wanted to try something different, so I'll show you in just a second what I switched to. But so I still use this pen because it has my 5-placer and a single placer. I've been using this pen as well. This pen is from Cat Eared. It came with the mystery diamond painting pen. To be honest, I don't like this pen. I think it's ugly. Like, it's just like, well, I mean, ugly is subjective. I just don't like how it looks. I think that it's really thin, and I'm not like a big fan of it. I like the way that it's shaped and stuff, but it's not something that I can use in the long run because, I don't know, it just doesn't appeal to me. But this is a pen that is in my rotation when I do diamond paint because I do have a, 10-placer on here and then a single placer here. So the pens that I do use when I do multi-place, and you'll see I'm doing a multi-placing video, they all have multi-placers at the end. And then this is the pen that I've been using just like regularly, and this is like my go-to pen right now. It's from Daft Designs, and I have an unboxing of this pen on my video. I have an unboxing video of this pen on my channel. It's one of my recent, like, what did I get in the mail videos, and it's from Daft Designs. It's really cute. She's in Calgary, Alberta, and I'm in Edmonton, Alberta, so it's really cool to be able to support another Canadian/Albertan. She drops new pens every Monday, and I really like this pen. It's comfortable. It's the right, like, I wish that it was a bit thicker. But I think it's the right size. the weight is really nice, and I have a 3-placer and a single placer on it. And I do have a pen coming from Enabler's Outpost, because thanks to Abigail Marie, she enabled me to buy a new pen, because she has, like, her pen collection is pretty amazing. She has really cute ones, and I really wanted a thick pen, so Elizabeth from Enabler's Outpost actually custom made me a pen. Well, I just basically copied Abigail's pens and then decided like what I wanted from Abigail's pen stash. But that, I have that pen coming, and then I also ordered 2 polymer clay pens from this girl that just posted randomly in a Facebook group, and she has like a thick polymer clay pen, which is really amazing. It's really cute and like bright pink. And I also ordered another polymer clay pen from her. It's not like super thick or anything like that, but I thought it was really pretty and I couldn't go without it. So those are coming in the mail, and that basically is my pen stash. It's very small compared to other creators' pen stashes. I'm not really a pen person, to be honest. Like, I'm like, I think like if I would just have one pen that I really liked working with, I would stop buying pens. But I saw Abigail Marie's video earlier today, and she was like, oh, when I was like first starting off, I was like, oh, I'm only gonna buy one pen, and now she has like hundreds of pens. But I don't know, pens just aren't my thing. I really like other people's pens, but I feel like once my Enabler's Outpost pen comes, I probably won't buy another pen for a while. And I say that now, but I don't know. I just feel like pens aren't my thing. So we'll see what happens. But that's my pen stash, and these are my pens. Okay. I don't know why I thought that was so funny. Whatever. Just don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, comment down below how many pens do you have, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on a weekly basis, and I would love to have you as part of my hive. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Okay, bye!